Alright guys, I'm just waking up in the morning and from the window I can see there's trouble. Let's point that out. So right there, just on the other side of the owl, is supposed to be our tomatoes. Those tomatoes there were hugging the greenhouse. They're almost as tall as it was. So let's go fix it up. Alright guys, you gotta remember you're the head gardener around here, so you gotta keep an eye on your garden. Things are falling over, you gotta take care of them. Let's go check it out. Uh-oh. Well, the tomato cage came right out of the ground. We're gonna have to stake it, so let's lift it up. Hopefully the stem isn't hurt too bad. It looks good there, like it just bent a little bit. So let's stand it up. Alright, we got this rebar here. Alright, there it is. We got our rebar holding it up. Things looking a little hurting just from being on the ground, but if you guys remember, this one here is our one that we grew from seed. Obviously we grow almost everything from seed, but there's lots of tomatoes back there. Lots all over it. This is the one that we grew from seed, and it was hurting looking, and we'll do a little picture. So right there I gotta separate, and that tomato is hurting. It was from Max and I's project we were doing of how bad it was. It wasn't very good at all. So smash that like button, take care of your plants. Remember, your plants only have you to take care of them, so you're the head gardener. Watch what's going on. The tomato cages only get you so far. You get a big enough plant and that wind and the rain comes. Okay, and a little bonus tip here. After it rains or you watered your garden and you notice you get a little bit of dirt, that's just risk for disease or something like that hard on the plant. So make sure you get some nice good water and spray them off. Alright, and I know I've mentioned this a few times in my videos, but this is just a little filter that we picked up at a hydroponics store that's going to, try and get rid of the harsh water from the city and stuff like that.